Taking break quickly to start putting. Biyaya is already outside. Real Flames is running by. The El Mundo comes next while Wow Deck is the early trailer by about 10 lengths of the leader. We have putting. Biyaya now takes command. Eric the Viking. Real Flames comes next. El Mundo is racing in port while Wow Deck is still racing in less half-mile distance. They traveled. We have putting. Biyaya by about half length. Eric the Viking moving up now is Real Flames. El Mundo remains in port while Wow Deck is still racing in less. And Diana went entering the home stretch. We have putting. Biyaya by length and a half. Real Flames remains in second and into Eric the Viking. Then here comes El Mundo as they swing for home. We have putting. Biyaya by about 2 lengths. Real Flames is already outside. Last 100 meters we have putting. Biyaya. Real Flames is already outside. Putting. Biyaya. Real Flames is already outside. And finally it's Real Flames putting. Biyaya. El Mundo, Eric the Viking, and Wow Deck.
Okay, Real Flames. Crossing the wire first. Segundo, yung 5, Puting Biyaya.